warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before starting the presentation of Belgian business ethic, allow us to introduce ourselves. First, hello everyone, I am Zulhijjah Putri and my partner is...
And me, Muhammad Yazid. We are from Publishing 4A.
The fact of the Belgian flag is that the black color symbolizes humility, the yellow color symbolizes wealth and good fortune, and the red color symbolizes victory, which was discovered after the Revolution of 1830.
Here is a table contents of Belgium, containing map, language, about, appearance, behavior, do and done, and business etiquette.
On the third slide 3 is a map of Belgium. Belgium is a development country. Belgium is on the European continent. It is located on the border with the Netherlands in the north, Germany in the east, Luxembourg in the southeast. Here a map of Belgium.
Language of Belgium. The main language are Dutch and French. There are also a joint official language, although German is also recognized as the third national language. Belgium. The capital and largest city is Brussels. Other major cities are Antwerp, Gent, Charleroi, Liège, Bruges, Namur, and Leuven. There is a peak about Mannequin Peak.
Mannequin Peak is one of iconic statues in the city of Brussels, Belgium. The statue is in the form of a boy who urinating. However, after 400 years on display, the meaning of the statue, according to the city government, is a plan to stop the act of open urination.
Etiquette in Belgium. First, Belgium dress code is conservative. Second, men should wear dark color, sober business suit with white shirt and silk tees. Third, women should wear business suit, sober dresses, or skirt and blouse. Fourth, in the Belgian work environment, clothing is somewhat formal, not overly fashion, but elegant in a more traditional sense. And lastly, fifth, when invited to a Belgian home, don't have to dress formally.
In behavior, we will talk about 3 main points. There are greeting, meanings, let's do and then.
Give and giving in Belgium. First, give and giving is not normally an aspect of business relation in Belgium. Second, if offered a gift, open it immediately and show appreciation. And the third, if the has the honor of being invited to a Belgian house, bring gifts to the house. Flower, chocolate, which Belgium is famous for, but not wine. The rules regarding interest are the same as most other European countries.
In the greeting slide, there are 6 points. The first, when meeting someone for the first time, give a brief handshake and maintain eye contact and a distance of approximately 1 meter. The second, once a business relationship develops between a man and a woman, 3 kisses on the cheek can reply the handshake. The third, men always shake his hands.
Fourth, to address your Belgian counterpart, you should use standard courtesy title followed by surname. Fifth, business cards are commonly presented when meeting people for the first time, and they are exchanged without formal ritual. And the last, little importance is given to academic and professional titles.
For the slide, we discuss dinner and meetings. First, Belgians separate their business and personal life. Second, lunch is the most popular time for business dinners.
Third, don't expect them to invite. It's mainly for close relatives and friends. And lastly, it's quite rare for Belgians to exchange business gifts, although a gift from your country would be greatly appreciated.
And for this slide, we're going to talk about what Belgians do and don't do. The first two, dress well. Belgian business people tend to be stylish. The second, to be willing to compromise as it's quintessentially Belgium value. The third, to find out what language your counterparts use beforehand so as to not offend them by using the wrong language.
When we talk about don't, first, don't be late. Being punctual is important, and tardiness is frowned upon. Secondly, do not discuss personal issues or cultural divisions in Belgium. And thirdly, don't turn down an invitation to lunch with your Belgian colleagues.
And this slide discuss business ethics. The first punctuality in business is generally considered a virtue. The second, business meetings tend to be very bureaucratic. There are a lot of producers and a lot of paperwork done in meetings. The third is Belgians who are notes of compromise, negotiation, and common sense. The value clear facts and figures. Fourth, Belgians tend to socialize for a short time before they get down to business at meeting. 5. Belgians often engage in lengthy and critical discussion before agreeing to a resolution to ensure that they have considered all alternatives. This is slide which discuss about a well-known publisher who was the first DGP Media Group is Belgian media company also active in the Netherlands and Denmark. Is owned by the Van Thilo family and employs some 6,000 people. The company is active in television, radio, newspaper, magazine, and online service. And this one is a reference from the material we are looking for.